If you want to prevent X, formerly Twitter, from filtering out content such as duplicate or automated posts, this quick guide will show you exactly where to change the setting. These filters can hide posts you may actually want to see, so turning them off can help you view more content in your notifications and feeds. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More. This opens up the additional menu options inside your account. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account preferences and notification controls. Next, click on Notifications. This section controls how alerts and filtered content behave on your account. Once you're in Notifications, click on Filters. Here you'll find the options that affect what gets filtered out. Now look for Quality Filter. This is the setting that can hide lower quality, duplicate, or automated posts. Toggle Quality Filter off. As soon as you disable it, X will stop applying that filter to your notifications, and that's it. You've now changed the setting that helps prevent X from filtering out content such as duplicate or automated posts. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick fix.